Hello, my name is Xiaoyi and I'm from the Oxford Orthopaedic Engineering Center at the University of Oxford. Now I'm going to give a brief introduction on my study on finite element analysis of periprosthetic tibial fracture after cementless Oxford Unicompartmental knee arthroplasty. Tibial periprosthetic fracture is a rare but severe complication of cementless Oxford knee, which compromises functional outcomes and recovery. It usually requires conversion to more invasive implants, for example, total knee replacement. 2 cases of tibial periprosthetic fracture were reported in 2 Japanese patients who had received bilateral Oxford knee. In both cases, tibial components of the same size were used in both knees, but only one of them developed fracture. In both patients, no large differences were found in the bone properties, tibial size, and proximal tibial morphology between the 2 tibias. This study aims to investigate the surgical risk factors that might have caused periprosthetic fracture in these 2 patients using finite element analysis. The results showed that tibial resections were made more distal and more medial in the fractured tibias in both cases. In both fractured tibias, the keel slot was very close to the anterior cortex or had penetrated the cortex. Keel slot cutting into the cortical bone due to surgical errors in tibial resections might have been the main cause of tibial periprosthetic fractures in these 2 cases. Changes to keel design or improvements in surgical techniques that could increase the distance between the keel and the cortical bone should be considered in the future. This concludes my study on the finite element analysis of periprosthetic fracture after cementless Oxford. Thank you.